SPARC stands for SpaceLaw Research Center. It's the first and only research center in Portugal, and we focus mainly on creating and developing a Portuguese space law community here in Portugal, and also to try to research the area of space law while also publishing in the Portuguese language. We also do a number of events, including workshops and courses, and events such as this one, which are included in our category of industry days, in which we try to have a link between the space law community and the other communities within the space sector, so industry as well, which is something that we truly cherish.
A Portuguese startup will always face a big challenge in adapting to the regulatory environment in Portugal, namely on the tax and labor perspectives. Other than that, incorporating a company in Portugal is quite easy. You don't require an extreme amount of capital. It can be adapted to your needs. You just need to have a good lawyer with you. You will face difficulties on growing up, namely when you start contracting people to work with you, when you are trying to maximize your tax costs and so on, so as not to hinder your revenues and so on. And those are the main difficulties, in fact. From a corporate perspective, regarding incorporation of startups, being on the space sector is not a difficulty per se. You will face the same difficulties that all other startups are facing.
Space community and enterprises in general need to be aware of the legal frame they are inserted in. There are players, either being national or international arenas, and they need to be aware what kind of laws they are obliged to follow.
Yeah, because law itself is not standalone, and from a scientific and technological point of view, and undertakings are to be addressed by these kind of companies. A legal approach must be taken in consideration in order to comply with international obligations, and especially the national ones if they exist.
Portugal has been giving very important steps in space law and in space framework in general. It has approved a recent decree law on space activities, which is very positive for companies, including for startups, because it creates a series of measures that will help develop private activity in Portugal. It has also created a new space agency, which will promote the development of private activity in the country, and is also being associated with several other initiatives. For example, their center. It just opened the second phase of the spaceport, of the Portuguese spaceport, which will be established in the Azores, and it is a public tender. And all of this is also being developed together with an increase in the investment made in the European Space Agency. So Portugal is really becoming, a very important and relevant space actor that aims at promoting private activity in the country.